How to enable developer options on your Samsung Galaxy device. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can enable developer options on our Galaxy device. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to enable developer options on S25, S25 Ultra or so on, it is rather quite simple. You can simply open up settings no matter whichever Samsung Galaxy device that you're using and you will come to this type of page. What you have to do from here is you have to simply scroll down and look for the option that says About Phone and tap on it. Under About Phone, go to the option that says Software Information and tap on it again. Here, scroll down and look for the option that says Build Number, right? So just look for a build number until you find it, and multiple tap on it until it asks you for a PIN or your password that says to enable developer options. So go ahead and enable your settings, and it says developer mode has been turned on. To find it, we can come back to our settings page, and right at the bottom, now you'll find a new option that says developer options, and you can tap on it to customize other settings if that's what you wish. This way you can enable developer options on Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.